Hey friends, we're here in this simple Google spreadsheet today. This is a Google Sheets document, and I'm going to show you how to create a little drop-down menu. This is a newer option that Google Sheets has added. They have some cool features to it, so I'm going to show you two really quick ways that you can add these little drop-down menus to your spreadsheet. Let's jump into it. Now, as you can see, there's some old ways of doing this where you have a little drop-down arrow right here. You can come in and you can select the different person that you want to show up in this specific cell. And then again, as soon as you select it, it will update. Well, they actually have adjusted this feature and now it's really easy to do. If I come down here, I want to create another drop-down menu in cell 18. What I can do is I can come up here to insert, and then I'm going to come down here to drop down. And as you can see, it adds a couple of little visual effects that are kind of cool. You can really see that this stands out now as a drop-down menu option. And we have our little options down here that we can select. Now stay tuned because I'm going to show you an interesting way of doing this really quickly with things that are already on your spreadsheet. But for the time being, let's really quickly adjust some of these settings. So as you can see, we can adjust colors. Let's say we want this drop down to be this burgundy color for our options. I'm going to do, let's do this color for option number 2. So if I hit this button, you can see that we have option 1 and option 2. I'll click on this. And again, it comes up with the option. Basically, it's just displaying whatever you have here inside of your boxes. So if I wanted this to be another team member, I could put Dan. Maybe down here, I'll put Aaron as team members that you can select. Now, as you can see, I can click on Dan, or I can come over here and click on Aaron, and they will show up with that appropriate color. So again, kind of cool. Let's go ahead and click on this again. Now, if I want to add another item, let's say another team member, just click this, choose the color that you want, and let's go ahead and say this is going to be Julie. And again, that basically adds the additional person right here that we can select from. Now, as you can see, there's options for multiple selections that you can choose from, as well as advanced options down here. But again, this is the basics. Now, let me really quickly show you one more little hack that makes things so nice and easy. So let me click done on this, and let's come over here and let's do another drop-down menu. I'm going to do insert, let's do drop-down. And then check out this really cool feature. Let's say I already have my team members right here that I want to select from. And instead of inputting those, what I can actually do is come over here and I can do drop down from a range. So if I click on this, it's then going to ask me which cells to choose from. I'm going to check these guys since this is my little team here. Click OK. And look at that. Things automatically just jump into our little drop down again for this one right here. Again, you can adjust the colors for these specific guys to make sure everything looks really nice and functional. And that's really the basics of drop down, friends. Remember, you can make this anything you want based off of your specific spreadsheet. I hope that's helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button and stay tuned. We actually make a ton of these little spreadsheet tutorial videos to help make your journey just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.